Following CPI data yesterday, Shiba Inu got hit hard. It went all the way down to the 5092 range, but it quickly rebounded on the verge of the entire market reversing after the CPI data came out. This is becoming a trend, and we could start timing up these trends and make some money. And I want to talk about what's going on. Basically, there are two big things that are happening all the time now in our environment, right? Two things. Number one is we await CPI data to see where inflation is. Number two, we await Fed meetings to see how high they're going to raise interest rates. But we can utilize these two dates, and we know when they are. We always are talking about them. We knew yesterday was going to be CPI data. We know November 2nd is when Mr. J. Powell takes the stage to tell us how they're going to react to the CPI data with interest rate hikes. So yesterday, again, it got down to 5092. And I made some videos yesterday basically saying, hey, I'm making a play here. I'm getting in. First off, I love Shiba Inu when it gets down to 509 right now. Anytime it gets down to those 509, I think it's a great entry point, both for the long-term and short-term trading. So I looked at it as, hey, no matter what happens here, I'm getting in at a good price. And I jumped in. So quickly, though, we can see that it has reversed. It's back up to the 1038 level. And here's your one-day outlook. We're up essentially 8.5%. Market cap is up 9%. Volume's up 64%. And look at this. There's the big dip, and then there's the big reverse. And what you're finding out here is people are utilizing these dates and these, call them catalysts, to trade in. And you can too. So we almost knew that things were going to dump as soon as we got the CPI data that wasn't good. But how much lower can it go? And we've seen this story before, pretty much all of 2022, where it quickly reverses after CPI data comes out. So let's keep playing these dates. And here's the thing that I'm thinking. So yesterday, if you bought down in here, okay, let's just say at the 9.3 or 9.2, 9.4, what have you. I think I got it at the 9.4. Let's just say you got in there, but you're looking to just make a swing trade on this, right? For instance, I have about 4 or 5 different Shiba Inu wallets, okay? I've got a couple that are swing trading wallets. Yesterday, that's what I'm planning on doing, is making this a swing trade. I want to sell before we get Jay Powell on stage on November 2nd, okay? So right now, I'm just kind of watching things, okay? Yes, we've ebbed and flowed a little bit to the 10.4. We popped up here to the 10.7. I'm just watching things carefully right now to see, okay? Now, if we break this kind of trend line here and maybe fall to like the 10.2, 10.1, I might exit the trade, make a little bit of a profit, and get out, right? But if we could kind of hover here, this is just me thinking out loud. If we kind of hover here and hopefully maybe trend back up in the 11s, maybe then I'll exit the trade once we hit into the 11s, okay? And, you know, and you make a little bit of money and you get out, because here's what's probably going to happen. What's probably going to happen is we might stay in this range for a little while. Then we get to, November 2nd, and we'll get another little sell off again. And then guess what? Another opportunity to buy the dip, either trade it or swing trade it, or, get into it for a long-term gain again, right? Chances are we're going to get a 75 basis point hike again. People will freak out for about 5 or 10 minutes. Now, I mean, really, probably about an hour or two. They'll sell off, and then whales come in and scoop it up. Speaking of whales, 2 major whales did exactly that. They scooped up 256 billion SHIB as the price was hitting the bottom, and they helped the price rebound. This is how the smart money plays. And if we can start following their lead and doing what they do, then we could start making some money here and getting at great prices. It says the 2 biggest Shiba Inu whales accumulated a whopping $2.71 million worth of SHIB in the past 24 hours, as SHIB bounced off the critical support level located at the 5098 on the daily chart. On Thursday, Shiba Inu made an attempt to crack the crucial support level on the daily. It failed as 2 anonymous deep-pocketed SHIB investors poured in a staggering, again, 2.72 million in 3 significant transactions. That is coming from Etherscan. So again, this is how the whales are playing it. This is how the smart money plays. And we can see it. It's not a secret. So we need to start playing the same game. Let me know what you think about this down below. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe down below. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Absolutely shocked. I'm so grateful, so humbled to be here every single day for you. And I'll continue to do so. I love it. I'll be here every single day bringing you up to speed on the news and information and giving you my perspectives and opinions around the cryptocurrency market. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you.